Alright, hello everybody. Today I'm going to install the GIVI rear rack on the Rebel 500. Pretty simple. The rack came with the hardware, bolts, and 2 washers for each. So it's 4 mounting points, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And that goes on the rear fender of the Rebel, 1, 2 on each side. So the first step we're going to do is removing these bolts. So what you're going to need is a Allen key or hex key, 6mm metric. You can see it right there, 6mm. And just put it in there, counterclockwise. Take these bolts off. Okay, now before we put the rack on the bike, just want to show you how the bolts and washers are going to come on the setup. So this is one set for each mounting location. There's 4 of them, so there's going to be 4 sets like this. Each set's going to include a bolt, a washer, and another washer. So the way it goes is, so this rack going to go on the bike. The fender is going to be in between. So the bolt and this chrome washer is going to be outside, like this. And then the black washer is going to go on the other side of the bracket, touching the bike. Like that. So bolt, chrome washer, bracket from the rack, black washer into the bike. Okay, so now we're ready to put the rack onto the bike. In order to attach the rack into the bike with this bolt, you need a different Allen key size. This one is 5mm. So to take the stock bolts off, it's a 6mm Allen key. To put the new bolts for the rack on, it's a 5mm Allen key.